Hi guys, morning! Gagawa daw si Zion ngayon ng French toast for breakfast. So, lagay na muna natin yung milk.
Milk. Oh my gosh, it looks so white.
Yay! 2 eggs.
Mommy,
Yes.
you know milk is from a cow.
Okay, I'll just open the can of milk. Wait. Yan, then we'll put milk.
Yep.
Tapos, lagyan na natin ng cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Chuk, 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 chuk.
What is that?
A lot of cinnamon. Okay, mix.
Oh, cinnamon.
Have to be careful.
How is this going to reach?
A little bit of oil. Kunti lang. Coat lang natin yung pan para hindi siya dumikit. Dip lang natin siya dito sa ating mixture. Drain. There. Huwag masyadong dip para hindi siya basta, saktong mabasa lang. Kasi magiging soggy. Yeah. There. At syempre, ito favorite ng mga anak ko. So, maling lang yan. Tinry ko. Tapos nilagyan ko lang siya ng brown sugar. Yan. Yung gusto nila laging partner sa French toast nila. Good morning guys! Kain na tayo. French toast. Saka sweet maling. Talaga siya i-partner. Maling lagyan niyo lang ng brown sugar. Partner niyo dun sa
Mom, wait.
French toast. Good morning!
Now, wait, I want.
Yum.
Ooh. Ooh. French toast. French toast.
Siyempre, mas masarap siya pag meron siyang juice. Ayan, mixed berries lemonade.
Onward.